Meet Nila. She's a B.Tech student. She's one among the 90 lakh Indian students who graduated in 2021. She's still unemployed. Did you know that every year around 80 to 90 lakh students graduate from 42,000 plus colleges in India? But 1 in every 5 graduates are unemployed. One day, Nila came to know about Inzpira and she liked her mission, which is to empower youth to realize their dreams. She applied and joined India's only, the most powerful sales fellowship program. In a matter of just 3 months, Nila got complete sales training, got advanced sales tools training. Not just that, she even got soft skills leadership and communication training that empowered her further, along with real-world practice and simulations. At the end of the program, with Inspira's 100% placement assistance, Nila finally got placed. Today, Nila is working in a famous company and earns more than 5 lakhs per annum. Want to be successful like Nila? We want to help you. Why wait? Join Inspira now.